Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty taco seasoning mix that you can put into any dish to give it instant flavor. A lot of people that I talk to who start a plant-based diet, or even people that have been eating plant-based for a long time, often say, I can't add flavor to my food. So today I want to show you how to make this quick and easy mix, this taco mix, and it's really going to give some real kick and flavor to any dish that you add this to. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So I'm going to mix this up in a small bowl, and I've got some things measured out here that I'm just going to add to the bowl, mix it up, and then you can store this in a jar with a screw top lid or even a Ziploc bag, but I like to keep this in a jar and it just keeps it nice and fresh. So first up, I've got 2 tablespoons of chili powder going in. And you could use chili flakes if that's all you have on hand. It'll just make the texture a little bit more grainy, but that's fine. The flavor is still there. Or if you have chili flakes, you could just grind them up in a small grinder if you have one on hand. Next up, I'm adding half of a teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. The next ingredient I'm adding is some coarse Celtic sea salt. Now this is totally optional. If you prefer not to cook with salt, then leave it out. But I like that extra little bit of saltiness, and especially as this is a blend, so I'm not going to be using all of this in one dish. I'll use a teaspoon or 2 of this in various dishes, and then this will just add a hint of saltiness to whatever I'm cooking. So I have about 1 teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt here, or you could use some pink Himalayan salt if that's what you prefer. Totally up to you what you want to add in here. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano or oregano, half a teaspoon of garlic granules. Again, you could use garlic powder instead. Totally up to you. Just use what you have on hand. And then also going in is half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then this is ready to mix. Just give it a stir through. And then, like I said, store it in a jar with a screw top lid, and it'll keep, just like your normal herbs and spices would, it'll keep for a long time. But it's just easy because this is all combined and it's ready to go, and so tasty. So there you go. This is a really quick and easy way to add flavor to your meals. Herbs and spices are amazing when they're combined correctly and with the right combination of foods as well. So if you want to dive deeper and check out my cooking course that I have online, Meal Prep Made Easy, I will leave a link to that below and you can check that out. And there's also a link to a free 7-day meal plan. So if you're struggling to get started, if you're struggling to know what to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, then that is loaded full of information and recipes that you can use to get started. So I hope that you enjoy this simple combination of herbs and spices to create an amazing taco blend. If you make this yourself, I'd love to see what you make with it. Join me in my Facebook group or join my email list and reply to me and let me know what you're making with this. I'm so excited to hear how it works for you because it's absolutely delicious. So have a great day, and I will see you soon for the next recipe. Bye for now.